Hi guys, it's me again. So for today's video, I will share you the time that we went or hung out in the rooftop bar in Hotel Minerva in Florence, and also my first Luca Comics experience. Kaya nung dumating kami sa Florence, naghanap agad kami ng isang restaurant, and the name is Fiorino de Oro, and located ito sa Piazza della Repubblica sa Florence. And as of now, they have 4.2 stars reviews, and they are very famous for their pizza and pasta, and also for their beef steak. In fairness, masarap naman siya, kaya I highly recommend it with you guys. Time nga pala is October 31, kaya people are already dressed up for the Halloween. Kaya kami pumunta dito because we want to try the disco experience or clubbing experience here in Florence. But unfortunately, hindi siya natuloy kasi sobrang daming tao at sobrang haba ng pila dahil wala kaming reservation. Kaya na-divert na lang kami sa Grand Hotel Minerva at dito may kakilala ang kasama naming si Ize. We're so thankful dahil na-invite kami sa rooftop bar. At first nga, sobrang na-amaze kami sa place. Kaya ayan, nakapag-photoshoot pa kami. Here's our photographer slash videographer, Ize, ang DJ Padilla ng Mendoros. Sino ka dyan? Iyan nga, sila nga yung lagi kong nakakasama dyan sa Italy kapag pumupunta ako. Like, last time, we went for hiking, and then bowling, ATV riding, and also tour me around sa Tuscany, no? Nung first punta ko doon. Kaya, sobrang thankful ako sa kanila kasi they make time every time na nandun ako. And anyway, this is the view of the rooftop bar. Ang overlooking niya ang mga iconic place dito sa Florence, like this Duomo. Ang ganda sobra. And ayan kami, nagkwentuhan lang about sa life, career, and everything in between. Like, sobrang lamig. It was really worth it to be there kasi sobrang napakaganda ng ambience and ng view. We stayed there for like 3 hours and then we went back home. And kinabukasan, ayan nga, at nag-ready na agad ako para umattend sa Luca Comics game. Ito nga pala ay isang convention na annually ginaganap dito sa Luca, where people are wearing the costumes that they want. Traditionally, they started it at the end of October until All Saints Day, but this year, they started it on November 1 until November 5. And yes po, ito ay 5 days celebration, and also, it is very popular because it's the biggest comics festival here in Europe and padalwa sa pinakamalaking comics festival in the world next to Comiket. Kaya naman, dinadayo talaga ito ng mga comics lover and games lover from different places. And ito nga, at sasabihin ko sa inyo kung ano at sino ang mga suot namin today. Me, I wore Nezuko from Demon Slayer, and siya naman si Wei Wuxian, Grandmaster of Demonic Cultivation. And for Ate Prixie, she wore Wonder Woman with her super doll. Si Jai Jai, ang aming superstar ng gabi at lahat nagpipicture sa kanya. And for Issei, he was Lupin. If you'll ask me kung nag-enjoy ako, talaga namang nag-enjoy ako kasi feeling ko bumalik ulit kami sa pagkabata. It was really worth it. Kaya yun guys, kapag nakarating kayo dito sa Luca, this kind of month, yung kakalimutan na magdala ng inyong costume and mag-join sa kanilang Luca Comics and Games. Yun nga, after that, umuwi na din ako at bumalik na din ako sa Saudi. Ayan, nagpapaalam na sila sa akin. At yun lang, don't forget to follow and like this post. Thank you for watching. God bless!